This is tower fan Pioneer. I open it to clean, and now I'm going to assemble it, so then you will know step by step which part you need to open. So this was the fan part which I clean it. Now I will put it back. So this part which has the hole for screw, this will go on the motor part. Aligning to this flat area, so when screw will go in, it will keep it secure. So now it's in. So this is the top part. So the top part of the fan will go in here, and then we will secure it with screw. We'll go over here with the motor part. They will secure this top part that holding the fan. The fan is back in place. Back cover of the fan. So I'm going to put it back. So it has few like this kind of visible extra portion here, here and here. They will click on the counterpart over here to make it secure. Beside, in addition to these screw, that will make it secure. So now the bottom part will go towards the bottom side and top part will go the top side. So now I will secure those here. You hear the click sound. It means they are back in place. Same on other side. These screw, so they will go 1 2 3 4. So they will go and fit in the metal part, so that's why they are having the flat ends. Which has this kind of end in this part 1 2 and 3. Go there. And this one goes here. And this is the projected portion, and this will go in a hole in this base plate, and then we will secure it with 4 screws. So these are the screws. They will go here. this cable, power cable, we will secure it like this. So go here, and this is its outlet. So that's it. So we reassemble the tower fan after cleaning. After cleaning, we reassemble the fan, and now it's working happily. So you can see. I hope you will like this video and it will be helpful.